I'm Brad Bierke, Vice President for the Vehicle Division at Southwest Products. For over 60 years, Southwest Products has been engineering and manufacturing high-quality fuel and lube trucks for the construction, mining, and heavy equipment industries. One of the key components for a fuel and lube truck is, of course, the fuel tank. Southwest Products is a DOT 406 certified facility, and whether your need is for a non-spec tank or a DOT 406 certified tank, Southwest Products can meet that need. This truck is equipped with a 2,000-gallon single compartment diesel tank. If your need is for a multiple compartment tank, possibly for a second diesel product or a larger used oil compartment, we can design the tank to meet your needs. The tank can be filled through the Betz lid on the 20-inch manway or through the fast fill connection on the side. Other fill options are available, such as pressureless fill or a Scully system. At the front of the tank on the driver's side are the controls for the flood valve and emergency shutoff. Pulling these levers forward allows the fuel to flow from the tank to the pump to begin fueling operations. In an emergency, shutoff levers on each side of the truck will stop fuel flow to the pump. Additionally, there's a fusible valve mounted on the bottom of the tank. In the event of a fire, the fusible link will close and stop fuel flow from the tank. A return line in the system sends fuel back to tank to prevent deadheading when you're not dispensing fuel. On the top of the tank, a rollover structure provides protection to the manway, valves, and other components. Bed liner material is applied to the area between the rollover structure to provide slip resistance and additional surface protection. In the front compartment on the curb side is a 30 CFM Atlas Copco compressor. This compressor provides the air supply to power the diaphragm pumps used in the coolant system, the diesel exhaust fluid system, and the used oil system. A hose reel is also provided for other air supply needs. At Southwest Products, we use a load sensing hydraulic system. The valve body along the right side of the compartment controls operating pressure, flow rate, and maintains the standby pressure. The fuel pump is a hydraulic-driven 2-inch sliding vane pump that is configured for 2-speed operation. The hydraulic-driven oil product pumps are mounted at the rear of the compartment with the lines for inlet and outlet connecting through fittings on the backside of the compartment. A 1-inch flood line from the bottom of the oil tanks runs to the fitting for each oil pump. There's a shutoff valve located at the bottom of each supply tank. Both the tank and the service platform are mounted using spring couplings. This allows the tank and the platform to flex independently from the chassis so less stress is absorbed. A steel plate with vulcanized rubber is welded to the bottom of the long sills. This design maintains the placement and durability of the rubber strip compared to other designs. The controls for the fuel and lube body are mounted at the side of the reel cabinet. We utilize SO cable for the connection between primary electrical junctions on the truck. Southwest Products designs and manufactures various harnesses used throughout the truck. The high-performance lighting system consists of 6 side-facing LED lights, 3 per side, and a rear combination light that provides backup, flood, and turn functions. LED lighting is provided inside the reel cabinet and in the various above and below deck compartments. A rear vision camera is standard and is mounted above the door to the reel cabinets. This truck is equipped with a roll-up door, but top-hinged and side-opening door designs are also available. The reel structure is freestanding and it does not rely on the cabinet itself for support. The reel support uses unistrut for ease of serviceability of the reels and for easy adjustment of reel spacing. 1/2 inch by 50-foot Lincoln reels are used for the oil products and other options are available. Bulkhead fittings are utilized where possible on the truck to provide greater serviceability when replacing lines or components. One of the primary items in the reel cabinet is the fuel system. The fuel pump supplies to a high-efficiency Donaldson fuel filter mounted on the back wall. The filter assembly is complete with ball valve on the inlet and outlet side for ease of servicing. From the filter, fuel flows to the Tuthill meter that is plumbed to the 2 fuel reels that are standard on a 2,000-gallon fuel and lube truck. A 1-inch by 50-foot reel on the low-speed system provides approximately 20 gallons per minute flow rate, and a 1¼ inch by 50-foot reel on the high-speed system provides approximately 50 to 55 gallons per minute flow rate. Standard equipment for both is a lever-type nozzle, but fast fill connections are also available. This truck includes the optional high-pressure 7-micron oil product filters. These filters include a restriction indicator so you know when it's time to change the element. The air system oiler and regulator is mounted at the rear of the compartment, and an easily accessible air drain valve is located near the filter drain box. A Bendix-style air dryer is available for climates with high humidity or freezing conditions. The oil, coolant, and DEF product tanks are constructed using 3/16" material and 2-inch radius overlapping joints for strength and longevity. The tanks feature a lockable 3-inch fill hole, breather, and reflective sight eyes. The coolant and DEF tanks are constructed from stainless steel, and carbon steel is used for the others. A hydraulic oil cooler in the system provides 2 key benefits. The system maintains reduced oil temperatures during operation, and it operates with 4 to 6 gallons of oil. This results in greater component life, reduced weight, and less oil requiring periodic changeout. The used oil system allows you to fill the 100-gallon storage tank using either the 1-inch by 25-foot suction hose or using the used oil filter storage box. A selector valve determines which location the oil is drawn from, and when you reach your destination, simply turn the selector valve and discharge the oil through the hose. The standard grease system on this truck is a 75-to-1 Lincoln pump mounted on a 55-gallon drum. If desired, you can choose from a number of options, such as a 120-pound grease keg, a customized vat, different pump options, or a heater. The bed tanks and compartments go through our thorough process of sandblast, prime, and paint. Southwest Products is a PPG certified finishing center, and we use an extremely durable polyurethane paint. We can also meet your needs for any special colors, graphics, or a wrap, and we can paint the chassis. Bed liner material is applied to the deck of the service platform, the bottom of the product tanks, the bottom of the reel cabinet, the area between the tank rollover, and the oil filter box. There is ample storage on this truck, as there are large underbody storage boxes on the driver's side, and there are both a single-sided and a double-sided storage compartment on the bed. You can customize these compartments with drawer sets, shelves, or you can leave them open. The compartment doors are supported by custom-built 4-inch hinges and include backing plates. At Southwest Products, we pride ourselves on our innovative designs, durability, and performance capabilities. From all of us at Southwest Products to our customers and our future customers, thank you.
Thank you.